organization, information retrieval microblogs during disasters, information retrieval in software engineering. Now, you select any one problem. You will be going to the website and they will give you problem definition, they will give you data sets. See here. There was a website called FIRE, F-I-R-E, in 2025 in BHU, Varanasi. They are going to conduct this conference. Every year they will give you 6 to 8 problems. For every problem, they will give you 3 to 4 tasks along with data sets. That's it. Now, why to waste our time? Directly we can go to that websites, select one problem and download the data and start working. And your work will be validated by eminent universities in India. Okay. And after one of the best conference in India, ACM. Okay. Your papers will be published in ACM conference. Student, if you have one paper, definitely you can get research area after completion of your BTech. In the MS, 50% of your MS fees will be waived. I am the example. Many of my students got 25% to 35% fee waived in MS. Started from 7 lakhs to 15 lakhs fee waived. Who are working under me? Ardhamavutundamma? For students, if you want to do MS, do you want to make your fee burden to your parents? No. It will become 50 to 60 lakhs if you do MS. But if you work such kind of 1 or 2 publications, 25% to 30% of your fee will be waived by the university people. While taking LOR, you go to your guide and mention that paper. And definitely you will get admission as well as fee waiver also. If you work with your faculty in collaboration, your faculty will get benefited, your college will benefited, ultimately you will also get benefited in your MS. As well as in your 4-2, whenever you go to interview, sir, I have published this paper, this is my work. You will get questions only on that work. Otherwise, they may ask question in operating system, DBMS, including generative AI. Okay. If the employers wants to focus on you, on your research work, your work should discuss about yourself. That's it. So can I go? Like this, see here. Hundreds of websites are there. Trek, TREK, SIGIR, CIGIR. I'll show you. Within few minutes, I'll show you. I will leave this PPT here itself. Now, let us look at here NTCAR. It is also one of the best websites. Look at here. I don't know why these pages are not opening. Maybe because of DNS issues? Yes, maybe. Actually, it should open some content. Can you please look at here for a few minutes? I'll increase the font. Yeah, can you please look at here? If you look at this website, it is one of the top five conferences in the world based on NLP. Now, see here, automatic evolution of LLMs. They will give you problem statements. They will give you data sets. They will give you baseline metrics. They will tell you how to submit your work. That's it. Your work will be validated throughout the world. It is also one of the best websites. Now, I will show you at least 1 or 2 examples. Just go down, you will get problems. Okay, this is, and another one website is TREC Tracker. It is also one of the best website in the world to publish your work and to find out the problems. Okay. If I get proper time, I can take any number of websites and I can show you practically also. And in 2009 itself, I have selected this kind of problem. In 2025, can't you select? Yes. At that time, we don't have any ChatGPT and DeepSeek for you. So many AI tools are there. Perplexity, Claude, Copilot, DeepSeek, and all these are your friends. Whenever you ask, you will say, Ram is my friend, Krishna is my friend. Don't say. Please don't laugh. Straight path. Please don't laugh. If you laugh, you are laughing at me. Please kindly consider this a very serious issue. Nowadays, most of the students are not showing interest on the subjects. Please. That's what after completion of your BTech, you are wandering on the roads. Please. Consider 3-1, 3-2, 4-1, 40, the high emergency in your life. If you utilize the 2 years time, your parents they can sleep without any problems. Please kindly utilize 3-1, 3-2, 4-1, 4-2 in the college with your faculty. Kindly select one of your best faculty for you have in the department. Kindly travel with them. That itself sufficient. Okay. Take the problem statements and start implementing with 2 to 3 good like-minded people. And talk to AI tools, not your with friends. Don't post any nonsense in the social media. Please. Don't post any nonsense in the social media. Your attitude, your personality, everything will be evaluated. Okay. Talk to AI tools. Every day, even though I'm having 24 years of teaching experience in one college, Gokaraju, I used to talk to, every day I'll spend 15 minutes on tools. Claude. One day I'll talk with Claude. Okay. Anthropic is a company which is having a tool called Claude. Then Perplexity, Copilot. First of all, I will take a task and I will implement myself. I will give my program to Claude. Whether my logic is correct or not, I will ask her. Still, whenever I am teaching my class, now since 2 years, what I am doing is, I will keep my class on the ChatGPT. I will take suggestion from it. I will ask ChatGPT, kindly give me suggestions. Kindly give me comparative study of my technique with other techniques. Kindly suggest me new topics which are related to my topic. Please. As a teacher, I am taking the help of these AI tools. టీచర్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా స్టూడెంట్స్ హై లెవెల్లో ఉండాలి. మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఈ లెవెల్లో ఉన్నామా మనకు గౌరవం ఎవరు. ఇఫ్ దే వాంట్స్ టు రెస్పెక్ట్ అస్, ఆల్వేస్. సేమ్ క్లాడ్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ కెన్ యూస్. ద సేమ్ క్లాడ్ we are using. What is the difference between a teacher and a cloud tools? Teacher should be here. Always. They should respect us. In order to respect us, we as a teachers has to work on the same platform. అంతకు మించి మనం ఉండాలి. స్టూడెంట్స్కి మించి ఉండాలి. Then only the students will give respect to us. Otherwise, no one is giving. That's what I will say one thing. Whenever I am going to any class for the first time, I will say my students, sir, don't respect me, please. Don't respect me. Don't give me any good morning, good evening. Please don't tell. In the class, don't stand up. My instruction students are like that. Don't stand up in my class. Don't say good morning. Okay. Please respect me with your subject. Please respect me with your subject. Please take a notes whatever I am speaking. Please follow my assignments whatever I am giving. Don't use ChatGPT for doing assignments. First you do it yourself and put your assignment on ChatGPT. Check out correctness. They're just for correctness. Don't within the class. I'm your faculty and student. If I don't know anything now also, I will ask my students, kindly teach me. Please, at the age of 50, now I am asking my students, boss, if I done any wrong, please kindly correct me. Not in the class, outside of the class, personally. Okay? If you know more than me, kindly teach me. If he wants to teach me, I will go to his desk and I will learn. Please. Nowadays, everyone is Google. Everyone is watching Google Map. Students are watching ourselves. But how we are having higher knowledge than other students. So, is it okay? So, can I continue? And there are some websites, please note down. If you want to work on beautiful image data sets, audio data sets, video data set, there is another website called Image Space CLEF. I'll try my level best. If it comes, I'll show you. Hundreds of problems I'll show you. Image CLEF and live CLEF. Please look at here. I think this domain is blocking somebody. I think maybe DNS is blocking this. Now, if you go to these websites like Image CLEF and Live CLEF, where you are going to find so many image problems, so many plant databases, so many life databases. Okay, task is there, databases are available. For every task, for every problem, they will give you 5 to 6 tasks. As a faculty, you give the problems from here. The students can do best of their work. Best, even though they are busy with their placements, even though the students are busy with their placements schedule, weekly 3 days, from 2-2 to 4-1, they will be busy with their placements. Placement people also bombarding them after their classes also. Still they will help us. Since 24 years, I know about how the students are burdened nowadays. They should get job by within 4-1 or 4-2. Then only they will be respectable in their curriculum. If some students are not getting any jobs, they will come to me, sir, help me. I will say that I'll give a problem. I'll ask them to solve it. That's it. Take them, students. Don't hesitate them. Okay, in this case, most of the students are coming that, sir, in 4-2 also still I did not get any job. What I will say is, kindly follow my curriculum. You will get a job. Okay. Now, due to some, is it working, sir? Is it coming? Okay, I'll take care of this. Ma, one thing I can say, like this, there are hundreds of problem sets are available and so many benchmark data sets. For every domain, I have given, sir, PPT, sir, PPT. Kindly, please leave it, sir, I'll take care. This is not done by AI, Gen AI, hands-on I have done it, please. These are the benchmark data set for text classification. For every task I have given benchmark data sets. Sir, what are the benchmark data sets? One thing I will discuss. For example, if you are working on text data, mostly what we will do is Enron emails, 20 news groups data. Okay, if you are working on text data, Enron emails, 20 news groups data. Apart from them, if you want to go for text classification, clustering and so on, UCI Machine Learning Repository has given benchmark, wine quality, Titanic, diabetes. These are, now, and Project Gutenberg, it is one of the best websites. It has 75,000 textbooks, will give you free of cost to do research. 75,000, Gutenberg.org. Gutenberg, it's a website. They are giving 75,000 textbooks. Now, I am working on, I am a student of Garikapati Garu. In my graduation, he is my guru. Garikapati Garu, Garikapati Narasimha Rao Garu. I have taken him to my college last year, has given a lecture with him to my students. I met him after 25 years of my graduation, and I am working on, please, Amma, I'm interested in Telugu. So in my research, I worked in Central University for 2 years in CALTS, Center for Applied Linguistics and Translation Studies. 2 years I worked there for learning how to do research under Uma Maheshwara Rao Garu, not in CSE, in Telugu department. Now when Uma Maheshwara Rao Garu is doing coding, sir is from Telugu department. Though he is from Telugu department, whatever coding he is doing, and parallel coding, ila kuda cheyocha coding. Please, Telugu, as a Telugu professor at the age of 65, he is doing coding in that way. Students, you can do wonders. Students, you can do wonders. Okay? Actually, my PPT is unable to operate properly and deviating. Otherwise, my lecture will not be like this. Okay, so many of your faculty are aware of me. Okay, actually, even though 25 years experience, I used to follow one structure. I don't deviate in my classes in JNT Hyderabad, in Gokraj, in somewhere, wherever I am teaching. Okay, but due to for every task I have given, what is a benchmark data set? Okay, first of all, you will do one job. How to validate my task? For example, let us take a simple database called iris dataset. Simple dataset. It knows sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. There are 4 input features and 1 target variable. You do one classification, clustering and other things. Always it will give you 96% only. Take a diabetes dataset. Always it will give you 77, 78 only. You try for more. If your program is working successfully, okay, then you apply on your original data set. Okay, so what I am saying, whatever the work we are doing, it has to be validated on benchmark data sets. Benchmark data sets. We know that every benchmark data set will give you a specified accuracy metrics. Accuracy metrics. Some data sets will give you 89, some data sets will give you only 60s. Means that doesn't mean that your program is not working. Okay, whatever the projects you are doing, you work on benchmark data sets. Then you try it on real-time data sets like this. Like for every data I have taken, for every topic I have given benchmark data sets. For image captioning, for machine translation, for question answering, for document summarization. That means for every task, my focus is mostly on NLP because my research is on information retrieval, NLP and language technologies. Now, in order to do good knowledge, I have worked in Central University for 2 years. After my college work, 4:30 to night 8:30. Not even single rupee I earned in the 2 years. Please, if you want to get good subject, you kindly collaborate with the nearby research universities, research colleges, whatever we have. Okay. If you keep on working, job will come automatically. Forget about job. Most of the people, they want to get job in 4-1 itself. So they are not concentrating in their subject. 3-1, 3-2, 4-1, 4-2, not even more. 50% of the people are not coming to the colleges. Please, this is from students' perspective. It is my humble suggestion. Every semester you have 2 to 3 core subjects. You please kindly concentrate them. Apart from them, you also concentrate on 3-2 project and 4-2 project. That itself will give you a job. Most of the placement scheme also nowadays they are saying, no need to go to departments. Please, department is the core. Department is the core. Okay, you should concentrate more on and 4-2 project. And perspective is another component. Having research component is having 25%, nearly 25%. Your work is also validated under that, and the college will also get good ranks. So, my humble collaborate with your faculty, publish them in your near conferences and journals. That will help in any way. Okay. Okay, yeah, thanks. Now, if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. I will leave this PPT with your Shyam Garu and Vishnu Garu, and they will share to you, okay? Now, I will be happy to answer with you. If you have any questions, definitely I will be happy. I hope this 40 minutes or 1 hour maybe session, I will not call it a lecture, may enlighten you, I hope. Thanks to one and all for calling me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your enriching session. Your insights on ML techniques and their application were truly valuable. Thank you. I request Dr. A. Srinivasal Reddy sir, Principal of CMREC, Dr. M. Kumaraswamy sir, Head of AML Department and the Convener, and Dr. C. Shamsundar sir, Co-Convener, to felicitate our Chief Guest Dr. N.V. Ganapati Raju sir. Yeah, I also invite Dr. Madhav Pingale ma'am. I also invite Dr. Gopi sir, Professor of EC Department.
No, they are clapping more and more means you are more interested.
Next section.
We'll now take a lunch break and be back at 1:30. It will be an online session. Link will be shared to everyone so that everyone can join. Okay. Yeah.
ఇది పెట్టా